Does your knobs wobble like this? Look how easy this is coming off. It's just breaking apart inside. Doesn't work very well anymore. So I'm gonna share with you what I wish I knew before I got these replacement knobs here for my stove. How to figure out which knobs you need for your particular stove, the quality of these, how easy they are to exchange, and just how well do they work. So let's take a look at the knobs themselves. First, you can see it has this brushed nickel look to it. And even though this does look metal, it is made out of plastic. It does have this little thing cut right into it so you can see which direction is up. And let me show you here too. It does tell you that this is off, high, medium, low, which is a little bit different than the ones that came on mine, but it's kind of nice to have on there. First thing you want to do is see what type of stove that you have. I have a Whirlpool. The place to find out the model number on mine is I just open this up. You're going to see it has some information right there. All right, removing these, if you see I already have some that are taken off, they already broke. To remove these, you simply are just going to pull it off. If it doesn't want to come off, usually just a little bit of a wiggle and pull out, and it comes off real easy. Another thing to check is you see this little half circle U shape. You just want to make sure that this is the top and that that U shape is going to match what you're putting on. And if that's the case, it will just push right on just like that. And this is the way the stove looks with them replaced. All real nice and new looking. And just how well do they work? I now can see that it's on high, medium, and low. Well, there you go. It was real nice and easy to replace the knobs on your stove. Check the part number, make sure that the numbers match up to it. Make sure that the shape of the piece that's going to go on there also matches up. I hope I made this nice and easy. I like the product. It makes the stove look so much better and more functional as well.